Hello. Let us learn today G sound words. This is known as capital alphabet G, or you can say capital letter G. And this is the sound G. Sound of this capital alphabet G is G. G, G. So let us learn some words with G sound. G, G, girl. G, G, gift. G, G, goat. G, G, grapes. G, G, grass. G, G, gate. G, G, green. G, G, glass. G, G, garden. G, G, guitar. G, G, globe. G, G, gorilla. G, G, garlic. G, G, grasshopper. Thank you, children.